The Crown brand circular saw with a laser is specially designed to cut wooden boards along a straight line. Maximum cutting depth is up to 63 millimeters. Separate, long auxiliary handle brings us a more comfortable grip when cutting at different angles. Magnesium alloy guard cover and aluminium alloy bottom plate make our light tools heavy duty. Long working life, powerful motor, comfortable operation. You can change blades conveniently via the outside button on the Crown brand jigsaw with a quick change mechanism. 4 blade positions are available for different materials. Our jigsaw can be operated easily to cut 15, 30, 45-degree angles with a reminding sound to indicate if you are off angle. Its comfortable handle with non-skid grain is better for gripping. Perfect cutting. We have also launched the T-handle jigsaw. Its light design and comfortable handle have been especially designed for side and ceiling cutting. Crown woodworking tools. New hit.